welcome to Tiny Club. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Now, today I have a surprise for you. I have some beautiful colors. Will you like to enjoy with me? Now, let's go. Now, first of all, I will perform an activity of an object. Now start the coloring of this object with some basic steps. What is the beginning sound of orange? O, orange. O, orange. Then start coloring. First we color the corners. Up and down, up and down. Done our activity. What is the sound? Oh, oh, which picture is this? This is orange. Oh, orange. Oh, orange. And we done the coloring in this object. Enjoy this activity. We will come tomorrow with new activity. Till then, Allah Hafiz.